Hormone replacement therapy, HRT. Honestly, I have no idea about what it is. So, but I do know that it's been a debatable topic for many. So, if you can throw some light on what are the pros and cons of it, what exactly it is, and I think that will help women take a more informed decision about these things.
So, what you mentioned, HRT, is now called menopausal hormone therapy. It's basically trying to replace the hormones, the natural estrogen and progesterone, which are supposed to be in our body. We are trying to replace these very hormones by giving pills externally and trying to overcome the symptoms of the perimenopausal transition, basically. So there was a lot of interest in understanding whether replacing hormones will help the women to overcome these symptoms of perimenopausal period, like the hot flashes, the mood changes, the skin changes, the vaginal dryness, etc. And also, will it protect in the long term for the cardiovascular risk, the dementia risk, and any other long term bone strength especially. So this was studied in detail in various studies, and what they found was that women who are less than 60 years and less than 10 years from the final menstrual period are good candidates to seek menopausal hormone treatment if they have very severe symptoms of hot flashes, night sweats, the vaginal or urinary issues, and if they have mood changes, depression, anxiety, etc., they can seek help for hormone replacement.